I'm going to start off by priming my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And then I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation, and this is the shade 10N. The previous foundation I got of this was like 2 shades too light. I don't know who I thought I was trying to get something that wasn't my shade, but I was like, because I like the foundation so much, I said I was going to buy another one. So yeah, and then I don't know what's wrong with people and trying to be enemy of progress is, but they always steal the samples, and it's like, how am I meant to know what colour we are if you're going to steal the sample? Like, just save money and buy one. Be an idiot. I'm going to be trying those new concealers from Revolution. I did show them in my new makeup haul, so if you haven't watched that already, I'm going to leave a link down below to that. So the first shade I'm going to be using, if I need to open it first before I use it. First shade I'm using is C13, and I'm praying this is a nice colour. The stick looks, I have never had the Tarte Shape Tape before, but it looks like the Tarte Shape Tape, like the wand, but yeah. I'm now going to take the shade C18, and I think this is the darkest shade, and I'm going to use that to contour with. And then I like to use my Real Techniques, I think it's a contouring brush. I like to use that to blend it out instead of my beauty blender because it's like more precise. So now I'm going to set the areas that need setting, and I'm going to be using the Beauty Bakerie flour, and it says, I don't know if that's, yeah, it's a flour, and it's better not bitter. Obviously it's not flour, but they call it a flour because of obviously they're bakery, Beauty Bakerie. Sis is rolling her eyes at me, the hater. Let me do what I'm doing, bruv. Okay, so now I'm going to take my Kiko eyeshadow. This is the shade number 4. It's a smart eyeshadow, and I like to use this to contour with. You should know this already if you watch my channel, and if you're not watching my channel, you're a bloody hater. Start watching. I'm joking, no, I'm joking, but yeah, if you watch my videos, you know I like to use this to contour. And now I'm going to take the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder, and this is probably the same shade as the foundation, I'm sure. I'm going to be taking this Colourpop brow colour, and this is in the shade, I think it's black and brown. I'll check. It's like a brow pomade. Yeah, it's black and brown. So I'm going to be using this brown shade here as my first transition shade. I'm going to take this kind of purpley shade up here, and I'm going to just place that all over the lid and the crease as well. I'm going to take this Colourpop Super Shock Shadow. I'll check the name for you guys. It's the shade Revolution, and it's this beautiful glittery lilac shade, and I'm going to place that all over my lid. apply some GWA lashes in these in the style Fantasy. There's a dog barking, I'm sorry, but in the shade Fantasy, and I'll be right back. I'm going to go back into that Revolution eyeshadow palette, and I want to do the under part of my eye. So I'm going to pack that shade into the under eye with a flat brush. I'm going to blend it out with that brown shade I used before. There's this really nice pink shade in the center. I'm just going to use that in the center, not center, in the corner of my eyes. I'm now going to take this lip pencil by MAC, and it's in the shade Chestnut. So I'm going to line my lips. And then I'm going to take this old lipstick that I got from H&M, and it was a beautiful nude shade. I can't remember what the name is, so I'm really sorry. I'm now taking this Luster Dust by Colourpop. This is in the shade Nude Drop. I'm going to spray my face again with the Mario Badescu. And then that is it.